तक जा रहा है ये रोड, अंदर इंटरनल रोड है विथ बाउंड्री वॉल, ये प्लॉट है। इंटरनल प्लॉटिंग नहीं किया
रास्ता
हुआ
कर
है।
दिया,
हाँ
साइड
हाँ,
साइड रास्ता है।
रास्ता बनाया है जाने
हाँ।
के लिए। इस रास्ता के माध्यम से हम लोग अपना अपना प्लॉट्स ढूंढ सकते हैं।
हाँ।
मगर जिस तरह का प्लांटेशन किया है, इससे कुछ फ़ायदा है कि नहीं ओनर्स को? क्या ये प्लांट्स में जो फ्लावर होते हैं वो बेच के पैसा मिलता है, या फिर इस प्लांट का कुछ ऐसा है जो सेल पे हो सकता है जिससे पैसा ओनर्स को मिले? क्योंकि 10 साल से ऊपर का प्लांटेशन दिख रहा है। At the time the builder sold all these plots, they must have done this plantation. The plantation has grown to quite a large extent right now. But then it makes sense only when we get something out of this plantation. Some commercial use, some money the owner should get. Okay, now this road is going, we are just tracing where this road is going to. You can see some kind of guest house or some kind of construction over there. This side is road तो जा रहा है, अच्छा है। तो we have this small construction going on over here and we don't have any idea what it is.
घोड़ा पाला हुआ।
घोड़ा है?
हाँ।
Okay, they are probably having some horse stable over here. So why they are, having a horse stable?
घोड़ा पाला हुआ।
There are a lot of horses over here. Very good.
तो लेके अपना फार्म
And
खोला है।
this देखते हैं ये रोड कहाँ तक जाता है। This particular
Last
road we are tracking. I think this is the part of the property that I have my plot in. This is the property I have my small little 8 कट्ठे का property मेरा यही इसी में है कहीं पर. But I'm not able to track that because internal plotting has not been done by the builder. But there are constructions I can see inside. There are plantations, there are constructions. You can see this plantation. This is a fresh new plantation. Different plots. Probably the plotting has been done and the owners have taken custody of their plots and they are working on that.
बना हुआ कुछ।
Yeah. People are doing some kind of construction. आप घुमाइए नहीं, वहीं चलिए ना रोड पे, कितना दूर तक जाता है
वो तो बस एंडिंग है वहाँ।
नहीं एंडिंग नहीं है, चल रहा है, बहुत दूर तक जाएगा।
नहीं मैडम, वही एंडिंग है।
नहीं देखिए ना, चलिए ना। So different people are using their plots. They have taken over.
और नहीं
तो
मैडम, वो
ownership-
रास्ता खत्म है तो।
देख लेते हैं
हाँ।
क्योंकि मेरा प्लॉट कहाँ है
ये देखिए
उसका
खत्म हो
अंदाजा
गया। ये तो दागी।
नहीं, वो दागी नहीं है, वहाँ और आगे जाएगा।
तो आपका
काम
प्लॉट
चल रहा है, चलिए,
इधर ही
चलिए।
हो गया ना?
मेरा प्रॉपर्टी थोड़ा और आगे था एक्चुअली।
और आगे?
हाँ, तो इसीलिए मेरा जो प्लॉटिंग है ना, जो मैप में दिखाया है, बहुत आगे तक है। यहाँ पे रोड और नहीं है ना, इससे
नहीं,
आगे
और
रोड वो
रोड
लोग
नहीं।
बनाएगा भी और।
अभी बनेगा।
ठीक है, द रोड सीम्स टू एंड ओवर हियर एंड आई एम अनेबल टू ट्रेस एंड ट्रैक माई प्रॉपर्टी। मेरा प्रॉपर्टी जो है 8 कट्ठे का है, 8 कट्ठे का प्लॉट है, तो आई एम नॉट एबल टू ट्रेस दैट ओवर हियर. So maybe I'll have to talk to the builder again, or maybe I'll have to call in Amin or get the help of Amin over here to find my particular plot. Otherwise it looks okay, everything else looks okay. People are doing some kind of milk, dairy milk farming also, where looks cows are here, so they're doing some kind of construction. They're having a dairy farm over here and they're doing some crop production also. Okay, they are sowing plants, reaping them, and papaya tree I can see. All right, we'll go back now. We have a fair idea of where my plot is, and I'm now very much certain that this is the particular property, the location where I own the plot, 8 katta plot. This is near Calcutta area, Behragoda, near Calcutta area, that I have all this property. I'm very much sure that this is the property I was looking for, that I own my property here only. You saw the main boundary wall, you saw the main gate through which we entered, and you saw You're seeing the huge plotting going on over here. Huge small plots. 10 kattha, 20 kattha ka plot. You can see a lot of plantations and all. So I just have to find out the exact location of my plot. Where do I own the plot in this jungle? My plot was located very far from the main gate. So we do have come very far from the main gate, but then I'm unable to locate it. So I think I'll need the help of the builder or the Amin to come here and help me to make a boundary wall on my plot. And then I can, like the people are raising horses here, cows here, they're doing so much over here. Okay, we have dairy farms and plantations and sowing, reaping activities going on. I can also do some kind of productive work for commercial use or personal use, and for monetization or just for fun. It's been more than 10 years since I own property this side. All right. That is the main gate through which we entered. And this side you can see all the boundary wall and all these plots and these plantations. It's big trees. Must have taken 10 years to grow. What is the use of these trees? I was wondering how they will make fruitful use of these trees. Chalega na? Then this is the boundary wall. All right. And that side you can see that water tank and the football field. I doubt the football field belongs to us, but this side of the football field and some other surrounding areas of that field does belong to this particular builder, and he has given small plots to different owners. I also own a plot here, but I'm able to trace it. I will need professional help to get to my plot and then do some work on that plot. Alright, we have the gate open. Go out.